Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video, I'm gonna be introducing you to the turtle module in Python. So let's get started. Alright, for this series, I'm gonna be using Replit.com, and that's an online service in which you can run your code. So it's kind of like an online VS Code, similar to Google Colab. Alright, so first just do Replit.com. And then you can just log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, sign up. If you do have an account, log in. So let me log in and I'll see you there. Alright, so as you see, I'm here in Replit. So now I'm gonna go over to create right here, do plus, and now let's do Python, and let's do Python with turtle. So, and you can just call this whatever you want. I'll just call this FH coding turtle. And now let's create REPL, and boom, it's over here. So whenever we're working with turtle, the first thing we have to do is import turtle. So if we run this, you see nothing happens because not that much, because we didn't really do anything except import this. So now let me give my turtle a name. I'll call it T. So T equals turtle dot turtle, and notice this one is uppercase. So if we want to move T dot forward 200. Let's just do T dot forward 200, and if we run this, we see T goes forward 200 pixels. And as you see, T is an arrow. But since this is the turtle module, let's make T a turtle. So all we have to do is T dot shape turtle. And now if we run this, we see T is now a turtle. And let's change the color of T, because you know black is an old color. No one really likes black anyway. So T dot color, let's do green. And we see T is now green. You know, T's line looks a little thin. So let's, give him some thickness. So T dot pen size 3. And if we run this, we see T is now thicker. So let's give T a few more moving commands. So T dot left 90, so it turns left 90 degrees. Then T dot forward 20. Then T dot left 90. And let's do T dot forward 200. So if we run this, that's how it looks. But let's say we don't really like how there's this line in the middle between these two. So all we have to do is T dot pen up, and so before we move, and then T dot pen down after our 20 degrees. By default it's in pen down mode, but we can also do it in pen up mode. Let's add another turtle. So I'll call this R equals turtle dot turtle. And now let's make his shape a turtle too. So R dot shape is turtle, and let's make its color red. So R dot color red, and R dot pen size, let's make its pen size 5. So if we run this, R just shows up because we haven't given it any moving commands. So let's have R turn right 90 degrees. So R dot right 90, and then R dot forward 200. So let's run this, and you see R just goes forward 200. And let's say we aren't, let's say you're really busy, you don't have that much time, and you don't have, the time to watch these animations load. If you want, you can just do over here T dot speed 10, and r dot speed 10. And then, these guys will go really fast. And likewise, if you're really bored and you just want to watch a bunch of turtles go across your screen at a super slow speed, you can just change speed to 1 for both of them. And as you see, it goes like that. Well, that's it for this video. This video was just an introduction to Turtle. In my next video, I'll go more in depth with Turtle and I'll show you some cool things you can do with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.